Hello, my name is Mohammad Amin Maher, and this is my Lab 2D simulation. When I click on a PB reset, the whole system is energized and the reset light turns on. Okay, and after that, when I click on a PB extend or PB retract, the cylinder retract or extend. For example, when I click on a PB extend, the cylinder extend, and when I click on a retract PB, the cylinder retract. Okay. After that, for example, when I click on a E-stop 1 or E-stop 2, the whole process stop, and all of them are de-energized. Thank you.